Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konami. So for today's video, this is going to be a pick a card reading. So choose a pile, 1, 2, and 3. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And think of a person. The question is, love ba jud kaniya? Okay, so magbisaya sabta. So love budget kaniya. So think of a person. So there, 2, 3. Okay. I-appeal na to ng decision cards kay makatawa ko sa inyo. 2, 3. Otot. Sorry. Wait. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, kung love budget kaniya, if the tarot card is upright, it's a yes. If it's reversed, it's a no. So, it's a no. Nga naman. So, Asia, Buddha, todo na to. So, I don't know, maybe this person is your karma. Upon seeing the Buddha, what came to mind is karma. The do what you want, what you want others to do unto you. Rule came to mind. So, todo na to for me. You're being too, siguro, too eager na makuha iyang attention, too eager na makuha iyang affection, and that turns this person off. And I think that's your karma for rejecting someone na, so into you. Like, you could have said no, you could have just properly talked to the person na I'm not interested in the same way, wala ko'y gusto sa imuha whatsoever, pero you chose nga paasahon tong tawhana. So maybe this person is your karma, na ikaw todo papansin ka na, halos everything's about this person, and then he's your karma. And 5 of Cups is also about being left alone. Being upright is sadness. Here, it's like this person is telling you na I will be okay without you. You don't need na mag-effort para sa ako, or dili na ka need nga magpaka-gaga for me. But you were the one who's willing. And it seems like naa kay admirer before, or suitor before, or na kay giligawan before, or naay gapapansin sa imo before nga kuan, not giligawan, more like naay gapapansin sa imo before na bisag wala kay gusto imong gi-entertain, imong gipaasa. I'm hearing in my mind kato bitang kuan, maging sino ka man siguro to, si Ann Curtis o si Sam Milby, nga naingon si Sam nga, I never said that I love you. Ganun. So, parang ito yung naging situation. So, it's a no. Now, let's proceed kay number 2. Again, if the card is upright, it's a yes. If it's reversed, it's a no. So, love ba kaniya? The cards are saying yes. This person is always talking about you. Always kaniya ginabida sa iyang friends, sa iyang family. To the point siguro nga gisumhan na iyang family nga ikaw na sa topic, ka-memorize na sila sa mga likes and dislikes nimo, all because this person won't shut up. Now, let's see why. Persecution and inquisition, and then your decision card is, ba't ka ba matatakot? So, maybe this person's way of giving you assurance nga this person loves you is by talking too much about you. Maybe because in the past, you were always judged before you were well known. Na ito parang, ba't ka ba matatakot? It's because of this. Na parang hindi ka pa kilala, hindi ka pa nga ine-explore kung ano yung potential mo, skill set mo, interests mo. Always rejected ka kagad. And now, parang itong taong ton, parang alam niya yon. And the reason why he's talking about you is para malaman ng lahat na kung ano man yung na misconstrue nila sa'yo, especially if you grew up or if you've been living in the same circle, parang mali yun. Parang this is his way of telling you how much he loves you or she loves you by telling everybody na may good side ka rin. So hopefully hindi mo sayangin yung effort. Okay? So there. That's for you. Let's proceed kay number 3. Love ka ba niya? The cards is saying yes. Queen of Wands is parang natutuwa siya pagka magkasama kayo. Yung parang, alam mo yung in a way, kung negative to, social climber. Yung parang kilig na kilig siya na nakikita siyang ikaw ang kasama niya. So may ganong aura. And I'm sensing an aura of a sister, like an elder sister or auntie, na nung nakita ka, parang na-approve din. Na parang, parang familiar sa akin yung taong yan. Familiar sa akin si number 3. Siya, parang okay sa akin yan. Hindi yan bastos, hindi yan. Basta may mga compliments din yung, family member, pero parang ate. Meron siyang ate na gusto ka rin. Not to be their partner. Parang gusto ka niya para dun sa brother niya or sa sister niya. So let's say for example, babae ka, iniisip mo lalaki. Yung ate ni guy, gusto ka rin. Now let's see why. Mapriso ka, bawal. Tapos transportation. So parang kasi upon seeing the train, for me, it, especially this type of train, parang, di ba, innovative to, parang ito yung first version ng mga trains before. So, I don't know if you have an interest na tawag nito, pinursu mo talaga, number 3, na kahit na maraming nagsasabi sa'yo na, uy, hindi pwede yan, uy, parang, uy, masama yan. Pero pinatunayan mo na hindi. Pinursu mo pa rin. Number 3, tapos parang isa siya sa na-amaze na, ay, tinuloy niya. O ngayon, tingnan mo siya ngayon. And if you notice, itong babaeng to, sa mapriso ka, na card, nag-viral to, maybe 2019, 20, if I'm not mistaken. Tapos parang yung walang pumapataw sa kanya kasi parang may sira daw siya sa utak. Yun yung alam ko. Yun yung nabasa ko sa online. So I don't know, maybe tawag nito, you saw, number 3, you saw the BS from the people stopping you, kaya tinuloy mo pa rin. And itong lalaking to, along with his or her sibling, bumilib sa'yo na buti tinuloy mo, buti tinapos mo, buti hindi ka nagpadala sa kanigahan ng iba. So there. Okay? So there, that's for you. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, send me a private message, okay? That'll be all. Bye!